Howdy one and all. Very quick vlog just to show you that we've changed the shop front. So some of you may know that we've been working on trying to do a renovation on the Teahouse for the past 6 months, and it has to come in stages because we've got to we can't close the establishment and like spend a couple of weeks doing a big build, so we've got to do it in bits, dribs and drabs, as they say. So yeah, so we've done the new area, which some of you may have seen. I'll go and get some shots so you can see it. And we've been working on trying to make that more comfortable. We've been working on the bar menu as of sort of second half of last year. The bar menu's changed at the Teahouse. Just our whole offerings, the bakes are now like fully in flow and getting very popular, which is great. So just shifting it around. It's still an established gone food tea house, but we want to make sure that we have options for people who coming in for matcha, which we've been whisking for 20 odd years. So it's nothing new for us, but like just presenting it slightly differently. We've got the tea press, which is basically our tea flat white. So tea brewed like coffee, and it's great, amazing, perfect for like for drinking in, but also for takeaway. And yeah, as I said, the bakes, and we're working on new iterations of the bakes at the moment. We've got an amazing bake that I created with honey and wild fennel pollen, not pennel pollen. Wild Calabrian fennel pollen, which is amazing, with this honey and this crumb. We're working on savory snacks. I've got some amazing ideas that I've been working on. Every time I get a chance, I get into the kitchen and tinker around, and we're playing with that with Celine, just trying to work on bakes together. And so yeah, it's really exciting. And so the final piece in the puzzle was we want to change the shop front because it was looking old. It was looking a bit drab, and everyone who came to visit us, I would see like people writing, "I'm coming to Mayleaf," and they would post something. And every time I saw that shop front, I was like, "Oh, that's looking a bit worse for wear. It's seen better days. Let's put it that way." So we've changed it. It's completely Mayleaf blue, and we've done a wooden fascia. I wanted to do hand painting, but it cost too much because of the detail of our Guy One. So we've done vinyl, but it kind of looks pretty close to hand painted. But the wooden fascia makes a difference. I don't know, there's something about wood just brings it back to sort of classic shop fronts rather than aluminium fascia. We got a little side projection, which is just the Guy One. I wanted that beacon when you come down Camden High Street, especially if it's nighttime or it's late and the sun's down. You just get this beacon of like, come, drink your tea, we are here. So yeah, we've been working on that for the past few months, just trying to, it's expensive, it's so expensive to get things like this done, but it was important. So I'm happy, like I feel good. I've come in today and I'm looking at it, it's like, okay, the shop is now closer to how I imagined it a year ago. Still a few changes I want to make. There's still some tweaks that I'm planning, but it's getting there, it's getting there. So if you get a chance to come visit us in Camden, if you're in London, then please do. And I hope that these little details make a difference to your visit.